Guys, kunombuzo laphana obaluleke kakhulu obuzwe uNomvalo we-MKP laphana ePhalamende kwi-ad-hoc committee ewubuza ku-National Commissioner ngendaba ye-classified report yePhalaphala ukuthi if i-investigation i-report ye-investigation kuthiwa i-classified, wena as a National Commissioner uchaza ukuthi wena awukwazi ukuthi ube ne-access to that information as a National Commissioner. So National Commissioner uthi no, I don't have that information because i-iPad i-reporter kuSenzo Mchunu, ku-Minister Senzo Mchunu. And then I had to check and then I got this ukuthi uMinister Senzo Mchunu uyena okwareportwa kuyena and he reported this as a classified information. So now umbuzo wami ke omkhulu ukuthi uma uSenzo Mchunu esebenzisana nemgulukudu ukuthi adistract ama-investigation, how come ukuthi the very same Senzo Mchunu akwazi ukuclassify information ye-investigation, okusho ukuthi uma ukuthi yena uzokwazi ukuthi aclassify that report, asikwazi ukuthi thina singayithemba leyo nto leyo because yenziwe umuntu esesibone ngokusobala kwiMadlanga Commission, saphinde sabona futhi kwi-ad-hoc committee ukuthi lo muntu lona uyalinkeka kwimgulukudu esiboshiwe esisejele ebiphazamisa ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa, especially uphiko oluphezulu lamaphoyisa and uphiko oluphezulu leli le-iPad ebelenza i-investigation, and then that report was classified by uSenzo Mchunu. So how come thina siyisizwe sithi sifuna ukwazi ngendaba yePhalaphala bese kuthiwa it was classified by uSenzo Mchunu, sibe sesibonela ukuthi hlobo luni likapendo uSenzo Mchunu? So elami-ke nje angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, elami lithi uma i-EFF ne-MKP behluleka uku-unclassify that information eyaclassifywa uSenzo Mchunu, which means i-MKP ne-EFF, they are useless to the community because thina sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana. Singeke sithi sibone ubuqophololo and then bese siphinde siyathula sibe sibone ukuthi there are some classified information iclassifywa emgulukudu and then siyisizwe goqe izandla and then kube kukhona abantu bathunywa imphakathi ukuthi basathi okay fine, i-ANC ngiya-understand i-ANC because kuwumsebenzi wabo ukuthi they have to protect i-president, i-DA kuwumsebenzi wabo ukuthi ba-protect uSir Ramaphosa because they said vele before ukuthi thina we will stand with the president only if benza i-collusion naye, uma benza lo mshado lona owenzeka no-IFP bonke vele bathatha yonke into ezoshiwo upresident, but ithemba lethu lilele kuphi? Lilele kwi-EFF, lilele kwi-MKP ukuthi izinto ezifana nalezi ezisuke zivikelwe abathile bezepolitiki ukuthi bazivule bazibeke obala. Asisho ukuthi nabo baclean, nakhona benza kahle futhi behluke kube khona o-ANC no-IFP so that laba bambulule lezi zinqa, laba bangapha bavule lezi zinqa. Kodwa nje njengamanje nansi i-classified information yaclassify umuntu osebenzisana nemgulukudu, sifuna le nto leyana ibe unclassified.